So, like, this is what I have to deal with for my phones and whatnot. That is mine. This is mine too. And this is mine.
Yeah, what is in mine?
That one is really mine.
Let me see it.
There's nothing to see. Okay. Mr. Scooby-Doo lips. But yeah. But that is supposed to be the phone that I'm supposed to be using for Kick, Instagram, taking videos. But I'm having to use the BlackBerry again. So, yeah. Yeah. So, the plant. The neighborhood. The wounded, yet fixable Saturn.
It's good that no, it's not. Yeah.
What I've been carrying today.
I downloaded that game. Is that ultimate knife?
No.
I've seen that. I seen that knife.
No, you didn't see that knife there.
Last time me and you was looking for that. Last time me and you was looking for me and Gabriel and Nathan. And you was looking for that. The knife you have is already open.
And the big bucks. Today's EDC. CRKT M21 12G. Streamlight Stylus Pro. Mini Bic. Victorinox Cadet. Bracelet. Timex. And a gang of change. Yeah, and the phone, which I'm supposed to be using as a phone. Not doing this. Bed.